Here's something that sounds too good to be true. In the UK, the government will pay you a 25% bonus just for saving. Put in £4,000 a year, and they add £1,000 on top. Free money. It's called the Lifetime ISA, and it's built to do one of two things: help you buy your first home, or save for retirement. But there's a catch on the horizon. This account is being reformed. So today, I'll show you how the free money works, the strings attached, and why the window to grab it is open now, but not forever. So how does it work? Each tax year you can pay in up to £4,000, and the government adds 25% up to £1,000 a year, dropped in every month. That £4,000 sits inside your wider £20,000 ISA allowance, the tax-free wrapper we covered earlier in the series. A few rules. You open one between 18 and 39, and can keep paying in until you're 50. And you can hold it as cash, like a savings account, or as stocks and shares, invested for growth. Buying soon? Cash fits. Saving for decades? Investing usually wins. Now the strings, because this is free money with rules. The big one, the bonus, is only for a first home, or for retirement from age 60. Take the money out for anything else, and you pay a 25% withdrawal charge, and here's the sting most people miss. It's not just clawing back the bonus. It's charged on the whole pot. Put in £4,000, get £1,000 bonus, that's £5,000. Withdraw early, the charge is £1,250, leaving £3,750. You've lost £250 of your own money, a real loss of over 6%. The second catch, the home has to cost £450,000 or less. That limit hasn't moved since 2017, so in pricier areas like London, it increasingly bites. So about that closing window. In the 2025 budget, the UK government announced it's replacing the Lifetime ISA. A consultation opened in June 2026, and a new first-time buyer account is expected around April 2028. The new version drops the retirement side and scraps that withdrawal penalty, but it also pays the bonus as one lump sum when you buy and not monthly. So your bonus no longer sits invested, quietly growing, for years. But here's the key part. Existing accounts are safe. If you already have a Lifetime ISA, you can keep paying in indefinitely. And you can still open one today. So the current version, bonus and all, is still here, for now. Should you use one? That 25% bonus is basically what a basic rate taxpayer already gets from a pension. But a workplace pension usually adds something more: free money from your employer. So for pure retirement saving, the pension often wins. Where the Lifetime ISA really shines is that first home, and as a bonus pot for disciplined under 40s. Think back to the early retirement episode. It's a neat way to build money you can reach at 60, while your pension stays locked away a little longer. The honest verdict: brilliant if you're an eligible first-time buyer or a disciplined saver, but think twice if you might buy above the cap, or could need the cash early. So, the Lifetime ISA, simply 25% free money, for your first home or for retirement. Up to £1,000 a year, on top of what you save. Mind the penalty, mind the £450,000 cap, and know the current version is being replaced, even if existing accounts stay open. If it fits your plan, it's one of the best deals going. Next time, we go right back to basics. Before you chase any bonus, or invest a single pound, there's a kind of money that comes first. Debt? Which to clear, and in what order? See you there. And remember, this is general information, not financial advice.